Hello everyone, this is Himanshu Sharma, IIT Delhi alumnus. So today we are discussing a NASH 2024 problem, and that is a problem. So in this problem, given that fx equal to x to the power n for all x belongs to real, and now we have to find the value of this f1 f dash 1 by 1 factorial, f double dash 1 by 2 factorial, f n dash 1 by n factorial. So let's compute it. The value of f1 is 1 and the value of f dash 1 is firstly we have to find f dash x, so n h to the power n minus 1, so the value is n. F double dash x and at x and x equal to 1, alright. So the value of f dash x is n into n minus 1 x power n minus 2 at x equal to 1, that's equal to n into n minus 1. So f triple dash x is simply equal to n into n minus 1 n minus 2 h to the power n minus 3 at x equal to 1. So we can simply write it as n into n minus 1 n minus 2, alright. So we see that is following a pattern. So the value of mn is fn x is n into n minus 1 n minus 2 dot 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 n minus n, or call it as a 0 3 2 1, or we can simply n minus n, that's a 0 factorial. So that is a n factorial. Simply fn x is nothing but a n factorial. So let's compute in this pattern. So f1 is nothing but a 1 and f dash 1 is a n by 1 factorial, f2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial, and f3 is n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 3 factorial, and that's equal to n into n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 by 4 factorial. Similarly we can do, and the last term is n factorial by n factorial. So if you observe this series, that is nothing but a binomial series. How? 1 plus nc1, and that is nothing but equal to nc2, that is also nothing but equal to nc3 dot 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 dot, and that is also nc4 if we compute it, and the last term is ncn. 1 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus nc3, that is, and the 1 is nothing but a nc0. The value is of 1 is we can write it as nc0, nc1 plus nc0 c2 dot 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 ncn. We know that is a coefficient of 1 plus x 1 plus n 1 plus ki power 1 plus 1 to the power n. So that's also equal to 2 to the power n. So the answer of this question is nothing but 2 to the power n. So that is a merge up question of differentiation and binomial theorem. That is a very fantastic question. That is a very merge up question that's occurred in 2024 in this year. So the answer of this question is option D. So thank you very much.